Practice saying the following words. The sound E. See, me, eat, even, key, green, tree, very, happy, softly, merry, busy, finally, country. The sound E. Bit, build, leap, feet, kitchen, build, bigger, chimp, fit, listen, business, fit, display, filming, leap, fit, discuss, pick, 15, bin. The end.